Hey everyone, Mitchell Gould here, and making a quick video on B2B website visitor tracking tools. So I'm going to cover what they are, how they work, how they can be helpful, and then also go over some free and paid versions. So let's jump into it. So first off, B2B website visitor tracking tools can be used to see which companies are visiting your website. Now, how they work is you add a small snippet of code onto your website, and then the tools use things like IP address lookups and their databases to determine which companies are visiting your website. They also filter out ISPs, internet service providers, and low quality traffic like bots that might be coming to your website. And they are GDPR compliant as long as you mention it in your privacy policy. So they can be really helpful for lead scoring and prioritization for your sales team. So the paid versions usually have a notification or alert option to notify a particular person if a company has visited your website. So maybe you have a list of key accounts that you're targeting and you want your sales team to be notified when they're visiting your website. And they can be helpful for understanding the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. So are you reaching your ideal customer profile through your marketing strategies? Maybe you have a content marketing strategy in place where you're writing different blog posts. You're getting a lot of traffic from those blog posts. You can see which types of companies are coming from there and is it matching who you would ideally want to be targeting. And you can also use it for account-based marketing. So if you have a list of key accounts that you're targeting across display on LinkedIn ads, you can see which accounts are visiting your website, and then also have an alert in place to notify your sales team so you can be proactive in reaching out to those companies. They can also be helpful for A/B testing, prioritization, and also personalizing your website. So maybe you have a particular industry that is visiting your website and you want to try A/B testing the headline or a portion of your website to speak to those companies in that industry. It could just be helpful for getting some additional insights on the types of companies, the types of industries that are visiting your website, and maybe putting some personalization in place. Next, I'll go over some free and paid tools. So first off is Clearbit. They have a free tool here. There are some limits for the free versions, so they only process a certain amount of IP addresses. But you can try out Clearbit, which is a totally free tool. The limit is 25,000 unique IP addresses per week. So you can see a report of the different companies. And then for Lead Feeder, they have a free version here that only includes data from the last 7 days, and it has a max of 100 identified companies. But also good to just try it out. If you're not familiar or you didn't know this was possible, you can add the Lead Feeder to your website and take a look there. And another option that is free is LinkedIn ads. This is a good option if you have a lot of traffic coming to your website, because LinkedIn is going to sample the data. They're not going to show you all the companies that visited your website. But if you have a lot of traffic coming in and you have the LinkedIn Insight tag installed on your website, I have a video on that. And you also have a website visitor audience created. I have a video on that as well. So if you have that in place, after you create that retargeting audience, it's going to build. And once it's building and you get members in that audience, you can click it on the side here and you can click Insights. So I went into this website visitor retargeting audience, and then I can go to the company. And this is going to show a list of companies that visited my website. It doesn't give you any other details like behavior, but it is a free version. And if you are in the B2B space and you're thinking about marketing, it can always be good to have the Insight tag on your website anyways. So this is just another free version and a way to see companies that have visited your website. So I just wanted to make a quick video on website visitor tracking. It can be helpful for your marketing and sales efforts. Let me know if you have any questions about that in the comment section, and I'd be happy to help you out there. Thanks for watching and have a great day.